Geographical Information System GIS. Fast growing trends in computer technology, information system, and virtual world enables to obtain data about physical and cultural worlds and to use it for research or to solve practical problems. The introduction of modern technologies has led to an increased use of computers and information technology instead of manual methods as an all aspect of spatial data handling. Those information system contains data in analog or digital from about the phenomena in the real world and are able to create, manipulate, store and use spatial data much faster and at rapid rate as compared to conventional methods. Data is very important and added value as we progress from data to information to knowledge. The software technology used in this domain in geographic information system with the help of a GIS different types of data can be stored in digital form. The spatial analysis function of the GIS are then applied to perform the planning task. This can speed up the process and allows for easy modification and the analysis approach. GIS can be defined as an integrated system of computer hardware and software coupled with procedures and a human analyst which together support the capture, storage, management, manipulation, analysis, modeling and display of spatial reference data. In short, geographical information system gives power to create maps, integrate information, visualize scenarios, solve complicated problems, present powerful ideas and develop effective solutions like never before. It can be said as supporting tool for decision making process, map making and geographical analysis are not new, but a GIS performs those tasks better than faster than do the old manual methods. Data models. Convenience and real world geographical variation into discrete object is done through data models. It represents the linkage between the real world domain of geographical data and computer representation of those features. Data models are of two types, raster and vector. There are three different geometric classes of data in both the models. Here, the point representing the position, line giving the length and polygon giving information about the perimeter or area. Raster model. In raster type of representation of the geographical data, a set of cells located by coordinate is used. Each cell independently addressed with a value of an attribute. Each cell contains a single value and energy location corresponds to a cell. One set of cell and associate value is layer. Vector model. Vector data model use line segment or points represented by their explicit XY coordinates to identify locations. Described objects are formed by connecting line segment which area is defined by set of line segments. Vector data models require less storage space. Outputs are appreciable. Estimation of parameters is accurate and editing is faster and convenient as compared to raster model. Layers and coverages. The common requirement to access data on the basis of one or more classes has resulted in employing several schemas in which all data of a particular level of classification, such as road, river, or vegetation type, are grouped in so-called layers and more than one layer together from coverage. The concept of layer is to be found in both vector and raster models. The layers can be combined with each other in various ways to create new layers that are a function of the individual ones. The characteristics of each layer within layer-based DAs is that all locations with each layer may be said to belong to a single aerial region or cell whether it be a polygon bounded by lines in vector system or a grid cell in a raster system. But it is possible for each region to have multiple attributes.